out through the fog, but it was just my mind.